What do you see?
A book.
What do you see?
A pen.
What do you see?
A paper.
What do you see?
A table.
What do you see?
A chair.
What do you see?
A bed.
Well done. You're doing so well in English. Give the correct adjective.
Big.
Give the correct adjective.
Small.
Give the correct adjective.
Fast.
Give the correct adjective.
Slow. Old.
Give the correct adjective.
Young.
Give the correct verb.
To like.
Give the correct verb.
To dislike.
Give the correct verb.
To sleep.
Give the correct verb.
To wake.
Give the correct verb.
To walk.
Give the correct verb.
To run.
Give the correct verb.
To jump.
What do you see?
Welcome.
What do you see?
Goodbye.
Well done. You're doing so well in English.